Welcome back, React developers. In today's video, we will be diving into the top 10 best practices for React programming. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, these guidelines will help you write cleaner, more efficient, and maintainable React code. So let's get started. Number 1. Component organization. One essential practice is to organize your components logically. Divide your code into smaller, reusable components to enhance readability and reusability. Well, if you have a complex form, break it down into smaller components like form header, form input, and form button. Number 2. Props versus state. Understand the distinction between props and state. Props are immutable while state represents mutable data. Use props to pass data to child components and state for managing component-specific data that can change over time. Number 3. Functional components and hooks. Embrace functional components and hooks. They offer a simpler syntax and better performance compared to class components. Hooks like useState and useEffect provide an elegant way to handle state and side effects. Number 4. Key prop. When rendering lists, provide a unique key prop for each item. This helps React efficiently update the virtual DOM and improves rendering performance. Number 5. Avoid unnecessary re-renders. Optimize performance by preventing unnecessary re-renders. Use react.memo for functional components and pure component for class components to implement shallow comparison of props and prevent unnecessary re-rendering. Number 6. Conditional re-rendering. Master the art of conditional re-rendering. Instead of using complex if-else conditions inside your JSX, leverage the ternary operator or logical AND operator to conditionally render components. Number 7. Proper error handling. Implement proper error handling to make your application more robust. Utilize error boundaries such as React's error boundary component to gracefully handle errors and display fallback UIs instead of crashing the entire application. Number 8. State management. Choose a suitable state management library such as Redux or MobX when your application requires complex state management. These libraries provide predictable state updates and make your code base more maintainable. Number 9. Code consistency. Maintain code consistency by following established conventions and style guides, such as Airbnb's React JSX style guide. Consistent code makes collaboration and maintenance easier, reducing the chances of bugs creeping into your code base. Number 10. Testing. Lastly, prioritize testing your React components. Write unit tests using popular frameworks like Jest and testing utilities like React Testing Library. Test-driven development ensures that your components behave as expected and gives you confidence in refactoring. And there you have it, the top 10 best practices for React programming. By following these guidelines, you will be well equipped to write clean, efficient, and maintainable React code. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep coding and refining your skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more React-related content and programming in general. Happy coding!